nagkakaroon na naman ng pagtaas ng COVID-19 cases dito sa Pilipinas. Subalit ayon sa gobyerno, wala raw
Dahil ang pagsuyo ko ay multong haplos. Huli na akong lumampi ng 1,000 taon. Papailing ning paggamit ning folk beliefs related to the municipal.
Nunglo or the kinabayo could very well be an articulation of this folk.
Then we go farther forward and we'll go to the false shield. At saka ito syempre ang ating sword. Kasi naman ano po kung talagang may sombra po dito. Hello, hi there. We are at former World War II battle site here in the Philippines, particularly at Mount Isarog. And as you can see, my background is the shrine built to commemorate the battles and the sacrifices done by the American and Filipino soldiers here, including also the sacrifices of the Japanese fighters. As you know, we are into relic picking in this area. We like to go around and then without using any metal detector, we try to look for remnants of the past, remnants of history, remnants of World War II. So I was able to find some relics today and I'll show them to you. And I also made some of them into pendants or necklace pendants. By the way, I'm your host. I'm Jason Chancoko. I am a college professor, writer, rock guitarist, martial arts practitioner and enthusiast, Cimarron fighting arts researcher, and blade builder, blade sculpture researcher, and prepping and survivalism hobbyist. Now here's some of the items I found today while hiking. I featured one of the finds in a previous video, and but I wasn't able to feature the other one. Also, I made some of the relics into pendants, into amulets. So let's try to fit them or fit one of them on this lace. Let's use the one of the M1 Garand slugs, this one, and try to fit it here. This belief originated, according to my research, from the Americans, the Macabebe Scouts. When the Macabebe Scouts got involved during the Philippine-American War, they worked with the Americans. In fact, they were the ones who found Emilio Aguinaldo. The Americans believe that if you wear bullet pendants, it will ward off werewolves. But here in the Philippines, we use this to ward off negative entities or negative spirits, pangontra, so to speak. So there, I'm placing it here along with my wild boar tooth pendant. So there. Again, part of amulet culture of the Philippines. These are no longer live bullets when I found them, mere slugs. So I just, crudely, made this slit here, so we can turn it into a pendant. makikiraan po. So, how does it look? It's just a simple pendant made of M1 Garand slug. Found this right in this area somewhere, and I turned it into a pendant for this necklace, along with the wild boar tooth that I also got earlier. Here are the other stuffs that I also made them into pendants. These two I found today. Relics of history in this area. So, Jason here for the Hagbayon Channel and TMS Talks. This channel is devoted to current events, literature, research. What else? It's also devoted to martial arts, blade sculpture, prepping, survivalism, and whatnot. Remember, the pen is mightier with the sword.